Hello, good morning everyone from another episode of Wake and Trade. I hope you are all good and not losing some paper money. Let's mark previous day levels as always. I have already marked them, so if you wanna take these volume area high, volume area low, and point of control levels, you can take them right away. And marking these levels is important. I'm saying it again. Every day you must mark these levels to see where are we ranging, okay, where we were yesterday at, and now what are we doing. So now, like in the previous video, I was expecting something like this, but not as deep as this, like the previous YouTube video on the morning update. I like mentioned like this, and with the timing we can retest that channel and we can drop there. I just marked this channel. I was expecting first dump from here, but I didn't take a short. But here I didn't even take a short because it seems so powerful. It just broke out with a big volume, so I didn't take a short here. But if we see what happened there, okay, like this was that white channel that I have mentioned. Here we just retested it, but a little bit higher, so I didn't take a short, but it just really played well. This is not a normal candle. There is some bad news which are fake news, but of course people are scared and selling their coins. And I was waiting low to take these stop hunts. Okay, I wanna see these liquidity taken, but I didn't long here because of the liquidity. It didn't give me the low here. I just waited here. Now I don't have too many positions left actually. Yesterday I didn't make the morning update, but here of this range you can see here, and I told on Discord that I'm waiting some volume area levels to long it, and there's our fib, and this was the previous days, like 2 days ago's point of control. So I took a long around these levels, and I took some profits around these levels. But what I expect is we can take these stops and take these stops out. Okay, let's look at the naked point of controls. There is an important naked point of control here which has never tested before. It's important for me. This one is important, but like when we go there, we are not taking these stops and liquidity. So if we go there, I will expect to take these liquidities, and if we take these liquidities, we can see some movement like this. I will be shorting this swing failure if it is given, but I'm gonna check the reaction. I'm not putting any short limits because there's a possibility that we get inside the accepted and boom, go to 32 33k levels. But first we need to get accepted to these levels. Okay, I'm not telling we are going 32k from there directly, but from level to level. Yeah, this was yesterday's Discord analysis. We longed here. Normally I was waiting here, but since the RSI just started to give some signals around 60 levels, which I cannot make a comment about it. Normally it has to give signal around these levels, but now it started to ring some bells here, which we are in weekend, so I'm decreasing my risk. So not going full size on the weekends, waiting more deep or more high volume candles to take a new trade. There's another channel, but it's not the best one. It's like a low time frame channel, and its take profits comes around this levels. Yeah, like the liquidity zone is here, guys. Now there are lots of stops here, so if we go these levels and take these stops, yeah, it will be a good short play. But again, none of these are any financial advices, and I'm just trying my techniques with the paper money. So Do your own analysis, take your own risk, always manage your risk, never go all in. These are important things to consider in trading, I guess. Yeah, I'm not super bullish, but this move like might be us to be turned a bit bullish, you know, because this is like a good reaction, really good reaction. So yeah, I would like to see that we taken these highs, but I'm not saying that the bull run has just started. We are going 35k. It's too early to say that, but if we get accepted these levels and we started to accumulate these levels, I think altcoins have lots of potentials if we start to accumulate. But if Bitcoin starts to break out because of Bitcoin dominance, you know, that Bitcoin dominance. 1 second. Yeah, here we are on a big resistance for Bitcoin dominance. Like there are two possibilities, like we dump and Bitcoin dumps, altcoin dumps. We pump, Bitcoin pumps, altcoins doesn't pump. This one dumps, Bitcoin accumulates, alts pump. So keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance and Ethereum Bitcoin. This one is important too. I want to show you where we are on a daily chart. So we have that bull flag that has been playing since June 21. Okay, so not June, July, June 21. And now he got a good reaction around these levels, but we couldn't make an higher high, so the downtrend on the low time frame still continues, which we have to break this trend as soon as possible to see alts mooning. But the bad scenario will be like losing this white trend. Okay, this white trend is another important trend for me. If we started to lose these levels like this and then make a bearish retest around these levels, it might not be funny, you know. This is possibility. I'm not saying we are going down here, but for the alt party, first we need to break this trend and then I think make a retest and going these levels. This is the best altcoin scenario, guys. And if we break this one, hide your eyes from the alts. Okay, this is the signal of alt run. No, this is not the signal of alt run, but yeah, this is another signal. If we pump here, this is the first big move from here, and then it will accumulate a bit, then another big move. So try to catch these big moves, but don't forget that we are on an important level that we shouldn't be losing. Okay. SP 500 closed down, but here we are on a resistance zone. We close at just at the resistance, so I don't know what will Monday bring on the table. But if we started to break these levels, all I know is we have to try these levels, and it is very bullish for SP 500. But these days the correlation just started to be separate. So maybe if this one pumps, Bitcoin might not follow him. For the Ethereum, this trend is important. We are still faking out. If we start to go back to the 2000s, it's bullish. But if we start to lose these levels, there might be a little bit big dump, you know, maybe till 1723, or retest of this channel will be good, and I think it confluences with the FIB. Yeah, for Ethereum this is an important zone. I'm not saying we are directly going here, but it's important. Yeah, so that's all for the Bitcoin. I might try another long from these lows when they taken like this. I might try a long like this, but I'm not taking any breakout longs around these levels now because of the weekend low volume. No need for action. Yeah, that's all. Thank you guys. Stay safe. Bye.